My name is Suraj and you're watching Dive into Tech, and today I'm going to show you that how you can run any kind of mobile applications in your PC. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to download something, that is BlueStacks. We need to go to the software and we will write like download BlueStacks. Then you need to download the BlueStack. You can accordingly you can choose the browser operating system also, but mine is Windows 64, so I'll download right here. So you can see that my BlueStack has been downloaded, and let's see. I'll show you that how you can exactly do what to do. It is a total 509 MB, and I hope I have got a good connection. It will be downloaded as soon as possible. So by the time, I'll tell you something that guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel, because I'll be updated to all the technologies and new technologies which are coming in day-to-day life. Like my previous video was that how you can check any traffic of website, and how you can check the database or the coding which is done behind the website. You can all check that. I have given the link in the description. You can check that video. That was my last video. And guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Press that red button, and do like this video if you like this video, and share this video. And also guys, comment down your internet speed, what connection you're having and how much internet speed you're getting, so that if there is a little bit more better connection available in my region, I'll go for that. So the download is almost complete. And guys, I have seen one thing, that this BlueStacks 4 is much more faster than the previous versions, because I don't know what they have done, but they have done something so that it has increased the speed of BlueStacks. Now it doesn't take too much of the processing in your computer. So it has been downloaded. Now I'll click on, oh, it is checking my system requirements. So guys, you can see that my BlueStacks has been downloaded, sorry, installed, and now it is starting. So by the time it starts, I'll just skip this part. So guys, my BlueStacks has been completely opened, and now it is asking me to sign in. So I'll do it later, and let's do some prerequisites. So you can see that it is completely installed. It has started. Now all, so guys, you can see that there are so many apps down here. You can download any one. These are all Google apps, and you can download any of them, and you can start playing or you can start using. So this is how you can use any kind of applications, mobile applications, in your PC or system. So thank you guys, and subscribe my channel.